always use a spacer, although we do teach teenagers in particular how to use a metered dose inhaler on its own because they hate using spacers. The most important thing when you've got a metered dose inhaler is to shake it. You're going to mix the medication, which lives at the top, to the propellant that lives at the bottom. The other thing you need to know is that there is more propellant in a puffer than there is medication. So you never use them to empty, even if you're using them with a spacer. Take the cap off it, breathe out, get a good seal around the mouthpiece, put the mouthpiece between your teeth and close your lips around it. Start to breathe in, fire the puffer, keep breathing in for about 5 seconds, take the puffer out of your mouth, hold your breath for about 5 to 10 seconds or as long as is comfortable, breathe out and make sure you put the cap back on the puffer. If you need to have a second puff, you do it all over again. The most important reason to use a spacer is because you are going to get more medication. If you use this alone with the absolute correct technique, the most you will get is 15%. Using the spacer more than doubles that amount, so it's much better to use a spacer.